A very good afternoon. My name is Pugalinthi Analalaki Ganesan. My matrix number is 10DLS21F2056.
Hi, my name is Dianishni Dr. Aframi. My metric number is 10DLS21F2030.
Today, me and my friends going to discuss about challenges of online learning. The first challenges is time management issues. Time management, in many cases, students find difficulty in managing their time with online learning. Online learning is completely new for them and requires intensive work. They need a schedule planner to manage their time in an effective manner. Online learning provides flexible time, unlike traditional classrooms, but face difficulties in adjusting to the time required for online learning. For these issues, we should create to-do list for the time management. We can prepare a list of activities on an everyday basis. Try to break down large activities into smaller ones for better learning outcomes. Use this list to tackle each task. Make sure that you either to do list and establish a routine that can make time management practices easy.
The challenges faced by students in online learning is adaptability issues in online learning. The student find it difficult to adapt to the online learning environment immediately after the traditional classroom learning environment. The students who have always been studying in the traditional classroom mindset are not able to focus on the online platform at once. It is important for the student to accept the learning environment with an open mind. So, the solution to overcome the challenges is nowadays adaptive learning is using artificial intelligence to adjust the content according to individual needs. It helps to providing personalities causes to identify their weakness and strength for better learning outcomes.
The next challenges of online learning is distraction issues. Learning from home is an amazing experience. You might expect things around you to be like a school campus, but at home, things are different. For example, you might want a massive classroom, parks, playgrounds, canteens, friends, teachers around you to guide and learn. But with online learning, you have to manage everything in one room with parents around you. You can be easily distracted by small things at home. For these issues, I recommend a solution, which is we can inform your parents and friends about the time of online learning so that there will be no distractions from their side. Restrict the study area for others to come in during live session and video calls. Make sure you relax in the break set on the timetable.
After that, the second point is technical issues in online learning. Many students are not well equipped with an high internet connection that is required for online learning. Due to this, they face problems in going live for virtual learning and other platforms that require an internet connection. They face technical issues in online classes as they are not much aware of technology and computer application. The solution to overcome the challenges of technical issues in online classes is we just need to find a high speed internet connection at our home to resolve the internet connection problem in the online classes and know where we can get the technical support for our connection and other technical issues related to software and tools for effective learning.
The third challenges of online learning is communication issues. Communication skills during online learning. There are some students who feel shy to communicate with their teachers and friends due to the new model of learning. It might happen due to lack of interest, poor technical skills with apps and video calls, or unable to express themselves via live chats, emails, or text messages. For these issues, I recommendation that online learning provides a platform for communication and interaction with others. This way, you are able to learn from them and improve their knowledge and skills. If you have any issues in communication, then seek help from teachers and friends. Ask them tools that can help you improve your communication skills so you read, write, and interact for better communication.
Computer knowledge challenge in online learning is lack of computer education is a major concern in today's world. There are many students who still cannot operate basic computer with MS Word and PowerPoint, and whatever some technical issues emerge, they find it difficult to solve the problem is in scenario they face difficult with live classes, usage of operating icons, MS Office communication related app and website browsings, study material and each other. Sometimes they do not know technology properly like logging, live classes, grading and submission work, communicating with teacher and friends. So the way to overcome the challenge is students should be provided access to support device that can help them solve technical problems via call, email or live chat. We should pay attention to our instructor during the process of solving the issues.
So the value from online learning is we can save money which can be spent on other priorities. The virtual classroom is also available anywhere there is an internet connection and a good way to take advantage of this to travel. For example, if you are studying abroad and want to get a job, online education is a great choice. There is no reason to give up on working or studying while exploring new and exotic places.
The values of online learning is work from anywhere at any time. This is the most applying benefit of online education for students with many duties to balance. Sign everything is available online, accessing classes, materials, and submitting work in very convenience. Exactly when and where this take place is up to students as long as assigned due, due dates are met.
The second value from online learning is uh, it teaches us vital time management skills which makes finding a good work study balance easier. Having a common agenda between the student and teacher can also prompt both parties to accept new responsibilities and have a more autonomy.
The last value of online learning is cost. Although the cost of an online courses can be as much or more than a traditional courses, students can save money by avoiding many fees typical of campus-based education, including fees, communication costs, parking, hostel, and each other.
And the third value from online learning is many classrooms environment are not comfortable speaking in public. In an online environment, it can be much easier to share thoughts with others. With 74% of people suffering from speech anxiety, according to the National Institute of Mental Health, online education tends to foster better class participation.
Last but not least, the conclusion of online education are only a few reasons to choose. And why 90% of students today think that online learning is the same or better than the traditional classroom experience. Every student must assess their unique situation and decide according to their needs and goals. And while this alternative to traditional education is not for everyone, it's still a convenient option with virtual and live options for international students all over the world. Thank you.